So one of the fastest ways we are taught in meditation is this thing called gratitude. And I'm sure you've heard about gratitude, be thankful for what you've got. I know I grew up with that story. My parents always telling me, just be thankful for what you've got, be thankful for what you've got. And it's like, yeah, whatever. But I feel as I've got older and my experience of life and being with people, I really appreciate the fact that gratitude, that sense of giving thanks, acknowledging friends, family, loved ones who have guided and supported me and you to be where you are today, the fact that we can connect on this video, I really feel that gratitude is such an important part of our daily practice. And again, I'm sure you may have heard of gratitude journals, whereby at the end of the day you just write 3 things you're grateful for. And again, I do that practice. And sometimes, I admit it's very sort of glib. Oh yeah, I'm grateful for my health, I'm grateful for my room. But I feel that gratitude in its purest sense, that really deep sense, gratitude, thankfulness, it really does shift your mind. And if you are going for a really troublesome time and you can't find the joy or the beauty in anything, then one of my mentors, Jim Edwards, years ago, he suggested just writing out a list of all the things, 100 things you're grateful for. And I've done that exercise a few times. And at first, I do like the glib everyday ones, my health, my family. But as you get deeper into that practice, it's amazing what you really connect with, what you really find yourself grateful for. You haven't got to do it all in one sitting. Take the weekend, take a couple of days, but really just take time just to think about, hey, what am I grateful for? Who has supported me? Who has helped me to get this far on my journey? And sometimes it can be quite, if you're not in a very positive space, it can feel quite challenging to be grateful, to see the positive, to see the opportunity, the joy, the gratitude. And that's where having a physical practice really makes a difference. And one of the practices I do on a daily basis, when I teach my chair yoga students, particularly the elders, we end the class with a gratitude song. And I feel because the class, it's mainly average age 60, 70, a couple 80-year-olds, they've got life wisdom, they've got life experiences, they really know, they understand and appreciate all the people who supported them to get from here to here. And we do the gratitude song. I've done it a few times on videos before, but it's a firm favourite. So the gratitude song, gratitude meditation, it's a simple song. You can sing, you can say, or even chant, and it really helps to evoke the feelings of gratitude and grace and thankfulness in your heart. So a quick recap. To do the gratitude meditation, I invite you to, there's 3 verses. The first verse, or the first round, to hold in your heart friends and family and loved ones, even strangers, who supported you on your journey. Now just take a moment whilst we're chatting, as you're settling into the practice, take a moment to think about all the people in your life who have helped you in some shape or form just to be where you are today. When I worked with young offenders, a lot of them had really sort of troublesome, challenging childhoods, but majority of them, so there's at least one person who cared about them, and often you just need one person to inspire and support you to get onto your next level. So I want you for the first verse just to hold into your heart one person and just say thank you. We'll do this properly together and say thank you to that person. And then for the second verse, hold in your hearts, I believe that prayer and healing can really support someone who's unwell. Hold in your heart someone who's going through a very hard and challenging time, and just say the words bless you. Hold them in your heart, and you'll be sending them blessings and prayers for strength, for gratitude, for strength and courage to get through their challenge, to know that, for them to feel that there's someone out there on the other side caring and rooting for them. We all need that. We all need to know there's someone out there rooting for us. So just hold in your heart someone you know is going for a hard time. And the final verse or chant, it will be saying, bless me. And when you bless yourself, obviously you can't pour from an empty cup. So by blessing you, yourself, you're inviting, you're asking for blessings. You're keeping your heart open to say, bless me. Allow me to be open. Allow me to feel the love. Allow me to feel support coming in all shapes and forms, yeah? Okay. So that's the practice. It's 3 verses. And the way I like to teach this particular meditation, it's through song. Because again, I feel that song has a way of uplifting our hearts. And the tune we do this gratitude meditation to is to the tune of Amazing Grace. There's a very significant reason for me using this tune, Amazing Grace, for the gratitude meditation. When my cousin passed away in '97, Sherry, my brother, he read Amazing Grace in honour of Sherry, and we all sang the traditional song Amazing Grace. And for years I associated that tune with Sherry's funeral, and I found it quite hard to actually appreciate the words of Amazing Grace, even the tune. And then my brother passed away 18 months after Sherry, and we sang Amazing Grace at his funeral, and that was such a uplifting experience for me, and it made me realise and appreciate that thing about gratitude. And since then, my own personal practice, and when I teach, we do the gratitude song. So basically we're saying those three words. The first one, thank you, to the tune of Amazing Grace. The second verse, bless you, to the tune of Amazing Grace. And the third verse, also to the tune of Amazing Grace. So it sounds a bit complicated, but please bear with me and you really will appreciate it. You really will feel grateful and gratitude. So to do the gratitude meditation, I invite you to find a comfortable position, and as always, when you meditate, make sure you're sitting upright. Get a sense of length at the front of your body, tuck your chin in, and sort of sit on your sitting bones, so really feel strong, solid, secure base. Lower the shoulders and try to get as much space as you can between your ears and your shoulders. Okay. Then set your intention, and for this particular meditation, your intention is to express gratitude, appreciation and thanks for all the people, friends and loved ones who supported you or who are going through a hard time themselves, or for you to express gratitude for yourself. So, first verse, we're going to say thank you, and I'd like you to hold friends, families and loved ones in your heart and just say thank you to the tune of Amazing Grace. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well done. And the second verse, again you're saying bless you, and you're blessing anyone who's going through a challenging situation. You're holding in your heart, and you're just sending your prayers, your blessings for them to feel stronger, to feel calm, to find that peace, the answers they seek. So it's bless you to the tune of Amazing Grace, holding that friends and loved ones in your heart. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. And the final verse of gratitude meditation is bless me. And again, you're just keeping your heart open. You're just asking to be blessed, to receive good health, abundance, prosperity, friendship, love. You're just asking to say, bless me. So sitting up tall and straight, holding yourself in your heart. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Well done. So that was a trial run, just to get the idea of how to the gratitude meditation. So let's do another round again together. And the first verse, thank you. Friends, families and loved ones who supported you, you're giving thanks. Then bless me, and then bless you. Someone's going for a hard time. I've got a dear elder who's hasn't got long to live, so I'm going to really hold her in my heart. And the final one is bless me. Oh gosh. We are asking for blessings so that you can be a support, that you can be there for yourself and for other people. Okay. So first round, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And bless you, holding friends, loved ones in your heart. Ooh. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Oh gosh, I've got a dear elder who's on her deathbed literally, so I'm just really sending this particular verse to her. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. And the final verse, it's bless me, whereby you're asking for blessings to keep your heart open to love, to life, and all the glorious in the circle of life. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Ooh, that's the thing with meditation. It gets, well, for myself and people I teach and people I know, we go about our lives, busy, yeah, but deep down there's all these undercurrents running through, and it's only when we're sort of being still, connecting with what's really meaningful, really important to us, that we can feel and acknowledge pain, sadness, sorrow. And it's still taking those feelings, leaning into those feelings, that you can really honour yourself, honour the situation, and find a way through to the other side. Because there is always a way through to the other side. So, thank you for taking time to watch this gratitude meditation. I appreciate your time, your energy. And please feel free to share it, to tell your loved ones about this particular form of meditation. And I'm back here on Monday, same time sharing some more joys and benefits of meditation. Thank you. And a special prayer for Mrs. Flaunders and family. I pray you travel on